Hi everyone, this is Felicia with FP Handmade, and I am coming at you with a craft haul video, as well as sharing the Christmas cards that I am sending out this year, the design that I chose. So first up, let's see, I actually won a giveaway, a gift certificate from Rosa Creative Way here on YouTube. She gifted me with a gift certificate from Pixie Dust Designs. And so I was able to pick out a couple of dies that I wanted to share with you. So the first one is this super cute tag die set, and it's called Tag A. And you can actually make it into a shaker. So it cuts out beautifully. Here's a couple of samples of me cutting it out, and you get these pieces where you can change the look. Here it is in foam, ready for me to make a shaker card. And then you have these different pieces that you can layer on to change up the look. Say for instance, if you cut it out like this, and excuse me, and then you want to put a different color for this cute little trim down there, you can. And then if you want to put a different color for this up here, you can. So you can change it up. Now I did make a shaker. Now granted, I am not very good at making shakers, so I tried. And what I didn't realize was that the static electricity inside was preventing the glitter from moving around. So I'm gonna try again. This one I had adhered two little butterflies in there, but you can barely see them because the glitter is so sticking everywhere, so you can't really see the design. So that was tag A. And then also I picked up this super sweet little, you've seen this I'm sure all over YouTube and Instagram. It's the reindeer mug. Cuts out beautifully, and here is the little reindeer. Oops. Isn't that adorable? So I didn't put the cheeks. I thought I'd just maybe try to make some, put some color in the cheeks. And then you can also, like this is like the cocoa or the coffee or whatever. But then you can also cut out the little whipped cream to make them have a whipped cream top, which is so cute. And the die set also comes with a little candy cane. So this is the reindeer mug, and this is Pixie Dust Design. So super cute. So next up is a few things I picked up at Joann. This was actually my only purchase that I went to the store for Black Friday. And I picked up these really nice titanium nonstick blade coating scissors. The ones that I currently have are kind of beat up. And then I saw that these were a really good deal, so I picked these up, 8-inch. And then also I picked up a Happy Planner sticker pack, and it's for the big brand, which I have the big Happy Planner. And I just thought these were some really pretty florals. I like to put florals. I'm such a flower girl. Look at that. And these have, words on them, statements. So super cute. And this is the Ingrid Blooms. And then I also picked up this Cricut scoring wheel combo pack. I didn't have a scoring wheel. I made some items for Thanksgiving that I really needed a scoring wheel for my Cricut Explorer. So I went and picked this one up. And so this is a combo pack. You get the single one and the double, I think. Yeah, so this is the double, and then that's the single one. So really glad to pick that up. So next up is a few things that I got from scrapbook.com, my favorite place that I order from. First up were these super cute Pink Fresh Studio little gems. And this one is called the Leaf Glitter. They're glitter drops. I'm sorry, this was called Leaf. And then this one is called Blush. So I really think these are really pretty. I glued out a couple of samples for you to see here. Really pretty and shiny. I didn't realize that they were faceted. I normally don't like faceted gems, but these are so glittery and pretty that you don't really notice that they're so faceted. And I did order some more from Simon Says Stamp, that order is coming in, and I'll share that with you. Scrapbook.com are out of stock on the other colors that I wanted. So anyway, pick that up. And then I picked up some Sealed by Spellbinder, some wax beads, the white. They're really kind of got a shimmery look to them, so pretty. Now, I did purchase some wax beads from Amazon, and I'll just tell you guys, those were crap. They would not melt for anything. So I went ahead and ordered some more from to go along with the kit that I have to have the gold. So I ordered the white. I thought that would be pretty versatile. Got that, and then I picked up this Spellbinder's dual cutting die. It's floral reflections, and then the essential floral reflection. So this has 7 cutting dies, super pretty. And then this one has 12, and it's all the different florals. I like this circle piece here. So I haven't cut out the flowers yet because I've been so busy working on my Christmas cards, but I did want to cut out the essential floral reflection just to share with you. And so here is a little cute card I made, just a happy birthday card, just showcasing the essential floral reflections die. So I cut out 3 of them and kind of layered them on this card and have some little bling on it. But I thought it turned out really cute, super simple. What do you think? Let me know below. So got that. And then I got some freebies. Got these in scrapbook.com exclusive ephemera pack by Doodlebug. And it's called Candy Lane. It has 41 pieces in it. Not a big, huge Doodlebug fan, but these are cute. Super cute. And then also got this 3-piece stencil set, 6x9 stencil that makes the poinsettia, and then has Merry Christmas. So really pretty. And I guess it has peace on here too. Oh, Noel and peace. I didn't notice that. Super cute. Nice freebie. Love when scrapbook.com gives you freebies. My die of the month from Spellbinders came in. I actually started the small die of the month, and I was able to pick up this November 2022 one. And I had some issues with this. I could cut out the little flowers, but the big piece in the middle will not cut out either on my Cuttlebug or my Empress. So I contacted the company, and they asked me to send a photo of it. And so I sent the photo, and I haven't heard back as of yet. But I have tons of Spellbinder dies, and I've never had this issue before. And this took a really long time to get. So I don't know what the deal on this one is. So I'll let you know if they send me another one or what the what happens with that. So that was from scrapbook.com, and then from Spellbinders Die of the Month. And then let's see, I picked up this Spellbinders partial and post sentiment 10 stamp set, and it goes along with the mailbox die. I didn't bring it in here. I was going to show you the mailbox die that they had, and I wasn't able to get this on their website, but I actually ordered it from Amazon. So I was happy to get this to go along with that. So that's that. And then let's see, from catscrappiness.com. So I'm not sure which YouTuber I saw hog this wreath, but I fell in love with it. As soon as I saw it, I thought, man, I like that wreath a lot. It's really pretty. And so I ordered it, and I'll show you in a moment the cards that I made using this wreath. So this was from Cat Scrappiness, and it's just called Wreath. From Dollar Tree, I did pick up a few packs of stickers because they had the little black Santas, which was awesome. So I picked these up. I probably will make some cards for my niece and nephews with these. Super cute card. Look at that. Look at Mrs. Claus, and look at that little reindeer. Just simply adorable. So way to go, Dollar Tree. Now, back to the wreath. I wanted to share with you the Christmas cards that I made this year, a few of them, with using that wreath die. So first up is this one that I used, I think this is from the I can't think of the name of the piece die. So this was my original design, to go ahead and cut the wreath out and then use this peace sign on the wreath like this. So this was the first design. So then I changed it up. I didn't really like the peace sign on some of the other wreaths, and I chose to use some chipboard pieces or stickers or whatever, layered stickers from Anna Griffin's Christmas set. I think it's something in bubbles or something. But anyway, it was just kind of a last minute decision. I used some noodle drops on it, and then I just put different of the little stickers from her collection, and I thought they turned out pretty cute. I really like this one with the little bird here. So I'm not going to show them all to you because I have a lot, but I'll show you a few more. So I think that worked out for me. I don't have any sentiment on the front, which is fine with me. I actually use the Anna Griffin sentiment inserts that you can use for Christmas. I used them last year, and when I decided to use them again this year, as you can see, super easy, just layered them up, you know, with the coordinating cardstock from the front. And there you go. So then I decided that I wanted to use the wreath on more cards. So then I used the, for my 5x7, those cards here are 5.5 by 5.5, my favorite card. And so these are the 5x7. I haven't completed these yet, but using an Anna Griffin embossing folder on these, and they turned out really nice. This is a Cuttlebug embossing folder with the dots, and that's the envelope. And I wanted to share one I think is my favorite combination. Well, this one is really pretty, I think, and it has the Anna Griffin embossing folder too. But I think this is my favorite, this red that I chose here. So I haven't decided if I want to put the piece down here or something else. I'm just kind of in the finishing stages of getting these cards completed so I can mail them out on tomorrow. I have so many. I'll have, I think I'm mailing out I don't know how many this year. So a lot. So I had another design that my husband chose to make, and it's the Santa from Spellbinders, and just pieced him together and then used an embossing folder. I think this is a We Are Memory Keepers embossing folder, kind of look like the wood look, and then the blue and the white, and then once again using the inserts from no, this was a stamp set. I'm sorry, a stamp set I used, and I actually bought us a stamp this year to stamp our Christmas cards, because sometimes it's really hard to keep writing your name over and over. So I give some for work, and then we have some that we give together to family and friends. So this is my design this year, and let me know what you think below. And what do you think? Should I add the piece to the bottom of these? Maybe. I'm not sure what I'm going to do, but that's it. So if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up, and hopefully I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.